Hello everyone, today I'm CHHUOY again, and I'm gonna show you how to enable a navigation bar here in your smartphone. And here is the version of the phone. Now I'm gonna show you what is the version of my phone. It is a Chinese version here. Now you can see our name here, Vivo Y81 here. So it is nothing difficult for that, because after you go to setting in the phone, you click on the setting here, and you will see the system navigation here. So it's not difficult to find. And now you click on that, and then you click on the navigation key. It's here. Okay, now let's click here, and it means you already seen the pop-ups